Hey everyone, talking about ERL Sunscreen, Eau de Toilette by Comme de Garcons. The notes in this are Bergamot, Solar Accord, Lily of the Valley, Heliotrope, Peach, Musk, Cedar, and Coconut. Definitely has a sunscreen vibe, which I enjoy in a kind of nostalgic way. Overall, though, to me, it smells a little bit too like coconut cookie type of smell. I think if I were wearing it for an extended period of time, it would very much feel like cloying to have in my scent bubble. It would be nice in passing though to smell on someone else for a short period, especially like at the beach or something. Leans feminine to my nose, $145 for a 50 milliliter with low to moderate longevity and projection. And I'll link in the description where you can check it out.